Experts say a clear desk helps boost productivity, and there's no better way to declutter your workspace than by swapping out your laptop or desktop tower for a tiny little compact mini PC. It won't even cost you that much if you hit a good deal, like this one. Right now, Amazon has a special discount for the AceMagician M1 Mini PC, which is now just $309, was $399. That's 23% less than its original MSRP and worth it for a budget device with this much power. You'll need Prime for this deal. Don't have it? Start a free trial right now. What makes the M1 Mini PC such a winner? It comes with a middle-of-the-road AMD Ryzen 7 6800H processor and 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, which is more than enough to run Windows 11 without choking, while also supporting dozens of browser tabs or multitasking apps. What's up, guys? Charles here. A lot of viewers on my channel watch the videos, but many haven't subscribed yet. If you enjoy the content, please consider subscribing to stay updated with all the latest gaming content. The included 512GB SSD isn't enormous, but still spacious enough for everyday use, and it's fast enough to boot up your system and apps within seconds. If you're tech-savvy, you can even upgrade the internals yourself, bumping it up to a total 64 gigabytes of RAM via 2 SO-DIMM slots and 4 terabytes of SSD storage via 2 M2 2280 slots. While marketed as a gaming mini PC, don't expect to push it too hard because it only has integrated AMD Radeon 680M graphics. Still, that's good enough for PC games on modest settings, and when you aren't gaming, it's powerful enough to run 3 4K displays. You can hook those up via full-size HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C video ports. You also get 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports on the front, plus 4 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, and a 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet port on the back. So if you have Amazon Prime, snag this AceMagician M1 Mini PC for $309 before this deal expires. Don't have Prime? Start a 30-day free trial to take advantage of this deal, plus other perks. And with Amazon's big spring sale kicking off tomorrow, you'll also be able to score all kinds of other Prime-only deals this week. That's it for today's video. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on gaming. And as always, I'll see you at the next one. Peace out.